This is how to increase font size in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, select a project, or you may want to create a new one. We will select a project, let's say this one, and set the font size of the whole article. Find the document class. We will use square bracket and set the font size, let's say 10 points, and click recompile. And to increase the font size, just increase the number, let's say 12, and recompile. And the font size has been increased. And if you want to increase font size of a specific word or sentence, let's say let's increase this sentence. Okay, we will use font size. Okay, we will enclose this with a bracket and choose font size. Then another open and close bracket. We will set the font size to 16. Then set align spacing, let's say 14. And we will use select font and space. Then we will enclose this whole sentence with a closing bracket. Then let's recompile. And we have increased the specific font of the sentence. So this is how to increase font size in Overleaf.